for the $500 trading tips, and we will be checking this out right here in this video. However, before I go fully into it, in case you are joining me for the first time, I welcome you all to Qora Digital Cash. And if you love the content you are getting from here, kindly subscribe to this channel, like this video, and share this video with friends and family. If you have any question at all, you can drop your question in the comment section, or you reach out to me via WhatsApp. I will be there to reply you. These are the assets that we'll be checking out. Everything I'll be doing in this video is going to be based on my own personal analysis, trading tools, and the exact time frame I will be using. The performance also depends on when you are seeing this video. If you're not joining me live and direct, then you will have to have a recheck on the charts before you can follow up with the analysis. So quickly, let's go straight into what we have right here, starting with GainX 1200. Okay guys, this is GainX 1200. It's on 15 minutes time frame, and I'm using this indicator 3M trend Milka indicator to do my analysis right from here. This actually started the downtrend right from this resistance and got to the support zone, tried to switch back into an uptrend but didn't go too far before going back down, and it has just broken out from this support region. If it breaks out fully, then it will keep on selling. Okay, so this is going to be giving us more selling than buying. Okay, more selling than buying for. It is still selling at the moment. Okay, so the next asset is going to be GainX 999. Let's check it out together. This is GainX 999. Okay, I also dropped this signal yesterday, and this is what we have gotten so far. Started a downtrend from here, but we came in a bit late. Okay, so this happened to be our entry point. TP 1, 2, 3, and okay, first three TPs have been achieved. So we are waiting for it to achieve the fourth and the fifth one, and it is still selling at the moment. Okay, so that is it. So the next asset is going to be Paynex 1200. Let's check it out together. This is Paynex 1200, and of course this started the downtrend right from this resistance zone. Okay, after giving us double tops, and of course it sold till it got to this region, had some major pullback in between. And of course I also dropped this signal. Yeah, I dropped this signal. This is the entry point and the stop loss, and we had some TPs highlighted for us. 1, 2, 3, 4 TPs were highlighted for us, and of course it has achieved all of them. Okay, so although it is still selling, if it breaks out below this support zone, it's going to sell more. If it does not, it will switch back into an uptrend and buy right from there. So this is still selling at the moment until it is unable to break out below the support zone. That is when it's going to buy. Okay, so that is very, very important, and it is important we take note of that. So the next asset is going to be Paynex 999. Let's check it out together. Okay, guys, this is Paynex 999. We actually picked this signal earlier today, and of course, it was on uptrend, and of course, activated it at this point. TP 1, 2, 3, 4 had been achieved, so that's so amazing. So it has switched back into a downtrend, but we didn't get to see the downtrend when it started, or else we will have milked it again down to this trend. Okay, that is the beauty of trend trading strategy. Okay, so this is still selling at the moment, so this is going to be more of a selling opportunity than a buying opportunity. So guys, the last asset is going to be FX volume 80. Let's check it out together. This is FX volume 80. It is also a signal we dropped earlier, and of course entry point, stop loss, and some TPs achieved already. 1, 2, 3, 4 TPs achieved already, and the way we are seeing it, this is still selling, guys. It is still selling. There are major pullbacks in between, just the way we are seeing it, but it's more of a downtrend than an uptrend. Okay, so if it breaks out below this support zone, then definitely it's still going to sell more. Okay, so this is very, very important. Okay, so this is still more of a selling opportunity, most especially once it breaks out below this is very, very important. So these are all that we are able to come up with tonight. All you just need to do is just for you to understand every part of the analysis and apply them carefully whenever you are trading. For those of you who are yet to perfect your trading skill, kindly go back to my channel, watch my training videos, practice very well on your demo account before you can try it out on your real account. And if you love my content, kindly give me a follow right now, like this video, and share this video with friends and family. Thank you.